So what's the most important thing right here to watch out for when you're working on this?
Integrity.
Spiders.
Spiders.
Right, you gotta watch out for spiders.
There's one right there that was right.
Good morning, guys. We are out at a customer's ranch here, gonna do some work, and got some great scenery back there today. Actually, one of those is mine, my daughter's, but yeah, we're gonna do a little work on this guy's barn for him. He came by here and tagged it with the tractor, so we're gonna pull this corner sheet off, this corner sheet off, and this raking corner here, and get it replaced for him. So here we go. I gotta get a 5/16 and a 1/4 inch, and maybe a 3/8. So. Here you go, guys. You can see why this crunched in so easy. There's really nothing much here, just the steel. So. But we'll get her fixed up. That's how she's built. Ooh, look at that guy. There you go, guys. Got her all wrapped up. Looks great again. Check it out. Just a small corner of steel building repairs. So check that one off the list. See you guys later.